Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. It's Tuesday, August 3rd, 2021, and this is After the Bell. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me here on the TipRanks YouTube channel. If you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that. We do this every day, Monday through Friday. So jump on over, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Today in your After the Bell show, we're going to talk about PepsiCo. We're going to talk about Robinhood. Absolutely surged today. We have earnings reports from Alibaba and Simon Property Group. Let's jump right over to the major indices here. We have the S&P 500 up 0.82% today. The Dow Jones up pretty much the same, 0.8% as well. And the NASDAQ up 0.65% on the day. Guys, we all know that these major indices are at or near all-time highs. And in fact, the S&P 500 is up 100% since last March. And I want to read a statement here from Randy Frederick, Managing Director of Trading and Derivatives at the Schwab Center for Financial Research. Everyone knows that valuations are fairly high. The S&P 500 is up nearly 100% since the March low of last year, so the market tends to be a little skittish to any kind of news right now, Frederick said. My outlook for most of Q3 has been that I've been expecting the market to be mostly sideways with slightly elevated volatility. That's a statement I wanted to read to you quick because I agree with that sentiment. I think the Q3 is going to be extremely volatile, and we are seeing that especially today with some of the trading. Some of the companies were up and down quite a bit. So let's jump back over to TipRanks.com here. I want to cover BTC real quick, down 2% on the day, trading right around 38,000 per coin. Not a fantastic day for Bitcoin, but the volatility, like we talk about, is continuing. Let's go over the top gainers here on after hours here. We have Paycom, ticker symbol PAYC, up 6%. We have NVTA, one of my favorite genetics company. NVTA is the ticker symbol there, up 8% after hours. Green Dot, ticker symbol GDOT, up 8.16% after hours here. We have Aon, ticker symbol AON, up 12% after hours. And then Inspire Medical Systems, ticker symbol INSP, up 12.4% after hours. All right, let's jump over to news. We have PepsiCo restructuring its juice business in America and overseas. They inked a deal to sell Tropicana, Naked, and other select juice brands across North America to PAI partners. The agreement also includes an irrevocable option to sell certain juice businesses in Europe. This will generate pre-tax cash benefits of $3.3 billion for PepsiCo, but essentially this deal is creating a new company where PepsiCo will retain a 39% non-controlling interest in the newly formed joint venture. Net revenue of $3 billion was recorded by these juice businesses last year. Markedly, PepsiCo is likely to use proceeds of the deal in strengthening its balance sheet and making investments in the business. Sharing his thoughts about the deal, PepsiCo CEO Ramon Laguerta said, "This joint venture with PAI enables us to realize significant upfront value, whilst providing the focus and resources necessary to drive additional long-term growth for these beloved brands. In addition, it will free us to concentrate on our current portfolio of diverse offerings, including growing our portfolio of healthier snacks, zero-calorie beverages, and products like SodaStream." Ticker symbol PEP or PepsiCo was up slightly today, 0.22%, but then gave it all back at after hours, down 0.34% so far after hours. But this does come with a moderate buy based on 14 analyst ratings with an average upside of 5.5% for PepsiCo. All right, in other news, we have a Robinhood absolutely surging today, 24% in regular trading, and then an additional 6.5% as of recording this video. There is only one analyst rating so far, giving the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of almost 40% for Robinhood. But what the heck happened? Analysts are guessing that Robinhood, essentially the early adopters of this IPO, which Robinhood actually gave 25% of their shares to its users on the Robinhood network, which was kind of cool at $38 per share. And now this has gone up quite a bit since then. But their initial IPO price was $38 per share, and all of the early people are kind of being shaken out right now, and the long-term investors are jumping in because Robinhood is a growth company, and they probably will be for many, many years to come. So the long-term investors are banking on that for Robinhood. Again, Robinhood comes with one analyst rating, moderate buy, with an average upside still after this massive run of right around 40% with that $65 price target right there. I expect more reviews and ratings to come for Robinhood over the next couple days, and you guys should expect that as well. All right, let's jump over to earnings reports. We have Alibaba, the Chinese Amazon, essentially massive, massive company, reporting earnings. Their EPS increased 12% year over year to $2.57. That beat Wall Street's estimate of $2.24. However, quarterly revenue grew 34% to almost $32 billion, but fell short of analyst expectations of $32.54 billion. BABA stock, ticker symbol BABA, down 1.35% on the day, and then recovered a tiny bit after hours, coming in with a strong buy based on 16 analyst ratings, with an average upside now right around 50% for Alibaba. It's pretty good upside there. All right, let's jump over to your last earnings report. We have real estate company Simon Property Group, ticker symbol SPG, reported better than expected second quarter results as both earnings and revenues topped estimates. Shares of the company rose 2.8% in pre-market trading. Net income per share of $1.88 grew substantially year over year and exceeded analyst expectations of $1.12. Revenues stood at $1.25 billion, up 18% from the same quarter last year, and surpassed Wall Street's consensus of $1.1 billion. Ticker symbol SPG was up 2.55% in normal trading today. This comes with a moderate buy based on 11 analyst ratings with an average upside of 8.5%. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another After the Bell. Let me know what you think about that Randy Frederick statement from Schwab Financial Research. It seems kind of ominous, right? That it's kind of like we're at all-time highs, and I would expect a lot of volatility, but that isn't necessarily meaning that we're going to see some sort of big crash. But a fall from where we are now is probably imminent. Over the next few months or a year or so, it probably is. We probably will see some sort of correction or crash, so to speak. So let me know how you guys feel about that statement, and if you are taking it ominously, or if you're taking advantage of these times right now, these all-time highs. Let me know. I would love to hear from you down in the comments. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow.